It's made to be cheap and made to work.
Big city apartment.
Right.
We got a lot of stations. Getting a little noise on. Oh.
I hear it hex drying, John, so it's probably got it.
I put about a gallon of deoxit on various contacts. Most of it got squirted. Some of it ended up on the chassis.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So it's a $20 radio with $10 of deoxit on it.
Pretty much.
A lot of nice work in there.
We're still not picking up any. This I don't get. You know, grab the BFO. No.
But get that working man there.
Yes.
Come on, get back in there, man. You were good. Yeah.
Oh, I still see a couple bumblebee caps in there.
Oh, yeah. We're getting the electrolytics.
Okay. We have the 200-mile-per-hour NASCAR tape on there, so in case of a hurricane, something happens, does it damage the dial?
Right.
This is an H500. Yes. Well, radio's old enough to smoke. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, they all are. Get that one on there too long, right? And go on.
Now, you didn't melt the casing off the wire yet. It's all good. Dory Len, you're doing a good job.
Oh, thank you.
I think you're doing a good job anyway.
You're the only one.
Here's some audio coming up. Not loud, but it's there. Are you Marv?
No, but I can be for a round amount of money. Oh, is that a phonograph amp?
Yeah, it's probably like an 8-watt or something like that. It's very small. This is a chassis.
Oh, okay.
Belongs to Kevin. And I'm trying to get it working for him. Got my fingers crossed. I don't know if I found a problem yet, but
So Bob, that's my little nightmare.
Oh, this?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
He's helping me out with it. Me and him already did one together. But I find myself helping other people more than trying to get my own stuff done.
yeah, we actually got one or two. One, right?
What's that?
We got one working.
Yeah, I got one working already. I've been trying to send that video to you, but for some reason I can't get it to go into your computer.
Computer could be more problems than these things.
Yeah, I made a really good video on my phone the other day about testing something for somebody. And I thought I was going to email it to them, and it was like 216 meg.
Oh!
Okay, never mind. I'll have to tell them about it.
Alrighty.
It's on there.
I'll leave you alone.
I'm getting there. Slow but sure.
Hang in there, pal.
Yeah. Fingers crossed.
Really fancy phonograph.
Yeah.
High-end audio.
Man, that thing is all part. Got the motor part and everything.
Oh yeah. You have to disassemble it.
It's coming along. It's almost done.
Oh, okay.
Just be careful, it's plugged in. Just disconnected it. The final little rubber piece?
No.
It's got to be in there. I don't even know how I figured that out, but
I don't know either. That's how I find it. don't feel anything in there.
Well, having the idler wheel come off?
No,
or-
you need it's a little rubber piece that sensors for it to be a 33 1/3.
Oh, okay.
She doesn't have that on there, and ain't gonna sense it.
So this only plays 33s and 45s, right?
Play 78 too.
Yeah.
On this needle.
What's that?
Not on this needle.
Not on this
Not on the
needle.
needle. No,
That's what
no.
I'm saying.
I had to give her a different needle.
I know.
Otherwise, she would be dead.
Dead no more.